What is up, everyone? We are back, and I think, dude, just by the looks of this, I think I found another hidden gem already. So, in a town that I usually don't fish in, and I was looking at this. It's kind of like a park, a little conservation area. You are allowed to fish here, and it's pretty public, you know. A lot of trails. I pulled in the parking lot was full, but it doesn't seem like anyone's fishing. So, quick little look at the brook here. Looks amazing. I've just been walking down. I'm kind of just going where no one else goes to start, and then we're gonna move up and see how that goes. So let's just get right into fishing, man. I am gonna keep walking down, but the easiest way is to cross here. But I'm just gonna fish this hole quick. Starting off, you already know what this is, the trout killer, man. We're gonna see how this does today. I tried that Panther Martin when it was sunny, and it didn't work as well as the silver did, which I'm surprised about. So we're gonna throw this around to start, see if we get anything. Oh, I just had one there. Casted right through that little opening right there. It was a tough cast, but we were rewarded. I had a small bite there. See, I messed it up that time. All right, we just fished downstream a good bit, about a quarter mile. We're gonna head back up to the more populated area and see if, you know, there's more fish, because we did grab that one bite. Hoping we get some more. Oh my God, bro. We had one. Did we? I'm not sure, dude. I'm pretty sure we just had a bite. I hit this hole that, you know, I was really hoping would have a fish. I just figured it would. Like, look at it. I hit it on the way back when I was still walking back. And, dude, big hit, man. That was a trout for sure. And that was a nice one. I think I spooked him, though. He was hooked for a second. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice brookie. He's following it right in front of me. Oh, my God. Dude, this is crazy. He's literally following it right in front of me. Eat it. Eat it. What? Dude, what the hell? That fish was kind of stupid, man. Dude, that's nuts. I could literally see him I was jigging it, and he was still biting the lure. I've never seen a trout act like that before. It's a nice looking brookie, though. I want to catch him. Oh, what a shame. All right, well, there's still plenty of creek to fish. Got a real nice looking hole right here. It borders this little edge. Be careful not to catch those roots, but there's got to be a fish in this hole. Oh yeah, just had a big hit there. Big hit. Fumbling over my words, man. Finally. Eat it again, eat it again. Damn, I might have spooked him. He hit that pretty hard. That was a decent fish too. Maybe these fish just don't want to bite today. I'll have to figure it out. It might be time to switch, honestly. We're gonna switch up. Could go with a nice little vibrant color. I think I'm gonna try that. It's also a downsize from our rooster tail right here. Same presentation, just a little smaller. Oh, yep, there we go. Finally. Nice one. God, that is a beautiful fish. He's pulling me. Come on, buddy. He's a fighter. This is a fighter. Ah, there you go. Finally. Dude, that is a beautiful brown trout. You gotta be. Oh my God, that's a beautiful fish right there, man. Beautiful trout. We're gonna let him go. Awesome. All right, now I gotta make sure my phone doesn't break. Took us 1 hour to get one fish, but oh, that fish was worth it, man. That was a beautiful wild brown trout. That fish was absolutely beautiful, man. I'm gonna put the picture up on screen for you guys to get a better look. But yeah, dude, that fish made my day right there. New place. We got 4 bites, and we finally managed to catch one fish after a lot of struggling, man. Really messing up with my cast today. And we're just at a new spot, but we managed to get a fish, and that's really all that matters. So we're gonna probably move and see if we can catch one more fish, and if not, we're gonna call it. Oh yeah, there we go. Awesome. Such hard fighters, man. Sweet, another brownie. Look at that, awesome. We're gonna let him back. There we go, that's fish number 2. We're calling it a day, because I gotta go put my phone in rice. But yeah, dude, very good day today. Ending off at just over an hour. That is a good day of fishing in my books, man. We started off rough, we went downstream. Didn't have really any luck. We had a couple bites. We got 4 bites total today, and they were all pretty solid. There was fish, but they just weren't biting that much. So I switched up to that little rainbow rooster tail. That seemed to do the trick. I caught a really nice brown and that nice small brown. So that's a good day in my books, man. Like I said. Yeah, we're definitely coming back here. But yeah, if you liked the video, drop a like, drop a little comment if you want, and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.